Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creative. Good morning guys. My name is Tulsi Kumar. Guys, today topic is how to pull the Docker image manually. Guys, today topic is how to pull the Docker image manually. Guys, I have already uh, do it this topics. I have already what is Docker architecture, why should use the Docker container, what is container, how to install container, how to install Docker. These are all topics I have already explained it. Please go through that video. First of all, please go through that video, keep watch it and you understand that concept. Today topic is how to pull the Docker image manually. First of all, run the my EC2 instance. Go to Amazon console. And sign in the console. First of all, run the Docker server. Go to EC2 instance. Go to the running instance. Say this is my Docker server. Start the my server. Go to the instance test and start it. Go to my pemp file. This is my AWS pemp file. Run the git bash. Yes, it's running. Connect the local to server to local. Copy the public IP address and copy SSH -i. Yes, it's successfully connecting. Check it, Docker install or not. Clear the terminal. Guys, I have already installed in Docker. See this, use these commands. I have already installed. How to install the Docker? First of all, apt get update, apt get install the Docker IO. Then check the Docker -f version. First of all, I check the Docker install or not. -version. This successfully installed in 18.9. This is a Docker version. Please go through, guys. I have already example what is Docker. Total concept is this. Go through that video first of all. You watch it and understand that concept. Install the Docker and go through Docker commands. Start the Docker, how to push the manually, how to pull the manually, how to push the Docker hub. Today discuss these topics. Today topic is how to create the image. and push the image in Docker Hub. These topics are explained in today. First of all, create one Docker Hub account. I will do it. How to create, I will explain it. First of all, create one Docker Hub account. Go to the new tab. Type the Docker Hub. My case, I have already signed in. Your case, go to the Docker Hub. Your case is create the one Docker Hub account and say this. My case is this. I have already created in Tulsi Naidu. Create your case. Go to Docker Hub. Sign in. My case is already signed in. That is problem. Installed automatic. Open the automatically. Your case is signed in. Username and password. Don't worry. You can give one username and password. Then definitely you got it this page. Okay. Go through how to pull the images. First of all, say this. This is a Docker Hub. Anywhere you can install this. Jenkins also, Docker also, Maven also, anywhere Ansible also you can install it. Please type it Jenkins. Search this Jenkins. See this. This. See this. This is a. I have already installed in Jenkins. This is a Jenkins. Push the new tag in repository URL. This URL use it to your system and pull it once run the Jenkins server. Okay, first of all, how to pull the image, how to create the image, how to delete the images. I am already write the one Docker image, write the Docker commands. Already do it this one video. These are all topics are do it one video. Please go through that video also. Please carefully observe it. How to pull the image, how to delete the images, how to start the container, how to stop the container, how to attach the container, how to delete the containers, how to commit and how to push the containers. These are all commands in Docker. Please go through that video, guys. Today also I have to it these commands also totally. Okay. First of all, Docker. How to pull the image manually. See this Docker pull Ubuntu. Use this command. See this pulling, downloading completed. Yes, successfully pulling the images in Ubuntu. Please check it. Docker images. Use this command. See this. Create the Ubuntu image. Okay friends, how to pull the Docker images, Docker pull Ubuntu manually. Okay, tomorrow also I will will do it in write the one Docker file. Actually, uh, use this type of method, um, and run and write the on Docker image on Docker file and build this Docker file and pull it the image. That is method actually nowadays using. Okay, definitely I will do it in tomorrow. First of all, how to pull the manually. See this Docker pull Ubuntu. Okay, how to delete this Docker RMI. Use this image name also, you can do it on image ID. Okay, Ubuntu deleted in image. Please check it. Docker this this is empty. Okay, create. Create the container. Ubuntu images can create the one container. Docker run -ft. -I means it is a attach mode. Detach mode you can -d. Okay, Docker run -it -name and container name is Kumar and image name Ubuntu. See this, create and on container, on under container you can open ls. See this, bin dev home process run temp folder cd temp. Go through this and create any folder or mkdir docker. Here you can do it. Go to this docker, create one file also, docker file. va command not found. First of all, install va command also. apt get install successfully in vi editor. Yes, one step back. You remember it guys, Linux commands, and create one docker set mode I. This is my docker image. Okay, then escape wq, can save this. On how to uh, How to escape the running containers? Control P, Control P and Q. Sorry, Control P and Q. S. Ls Docker images. Check the images. See this Ubuntu and Docker ps -a. See this. This is a Ubuntu container. This is a command used to how number of list of Docker containers. How Docker ps, this is a running container. Yes, see this. This is a running container. How to stop the container? Docker stop container id. Use this id. Copy that id and paste it here. Stop this. Check the Docker ps. See this empty. This is stopping. Check the list of Dockers. Docker ps -a. See this. This is a existed. How to start the container? Docker start container id. Copy this id. And paste it here. See this, it's running. Check it once. Docker ps. See this, it's running. Okay. How to attach that? Docker attach container id. See this, under Docker ls cd temp. See this, create the one Docker file. These folders are displayed. Escape this. Control P and Q. Okay. Okay guys, please remember it and please go through the Docker commands. You can important of these commands also. Interview questions I will ask the interviewers. This is mostly important. All remember these commands. Don't forget this. And how to pull the image in Docker Hub. First of all, this is all my images. Okay, I show it how to push it. Okay, first of all I will show in how to delete the Docker container. Docker ps -a. Stop the Docker container. Docker stop container id and copy that and paste it here. Stop it. Then delete the Docker. First check it. Docker. See this is empty. Then check the Docker ps list of containers. Yes, this is a one container. How to delete? Docker rm. Use this container id. Container name also will do it. Yes, it's deleted. Please check the Docker ps -a. See this? This is empty. Okay guys, understand it? You check the Docker images. This is a Ubuntu image. How to start Docker It is running on Docker series cd docker then apt-get install apt-get install vim. Yes, let's install successfully vi docker file and insert more. Type the simple words. This is my images. Okay, escape and save this and escape the containers. And how to check the first of all docker ps. This is a running container docker. How to push the image? Please observe guys carefully. Docker commit container name is Kumar and Tulasi Naidu / image name. See this command, observe it. Docker commit Kumar container name. You remember it's docker commands. See this docker commit container Tulsi image name also Bangalore. Any name your choice guys. Your image name is any, you can create it and enter. Yes, it committed. Once check it the docker images. See this is a my docker image. First of all log in the docker hub. How to push the docker hub? First of all log in docker yes. See this successfully login. Guys, remember your username password. Keep it to some places. Can don't forget this. And check the clear the terminal and docker images. See this how to pull the image, this image. See this once you can once refresh it docker how 24 hours ago, 2 months ago. You can check it how to push it docker up push, copy this image name, paste it. See this is pushing the image. Yes, is pushed. Yes, is successfully push it. Once refresh the Docker Hub repository. Yes, see this updated few seconds ago. Guys, you are understanding how to push the Docker Hub, how to push the image Docker Hub. Please, this is a manually. You remember it, how to push the Docker image in Docker Hub. Okay. Okay, guys, clear? See this how stop the container Docker ps Docker Docker ps -a. How to delete Docker rm container id. Paste it here. Yes, next Docker. Check it. Docker ps -a is empty, and check the image Docker images. Your understanding purpose, I will delete the image. How to pull it once again, I will show it. Docker rmi, copy this and paste it here. Okay, see this Docker images. See this only Ubuntu image. Then how to pull this Docker Hub to your local system. Docker run -it and copy this image name. Copy and paste it here. Let's see this, it's pulling the successfully. Okay, guys, I think you're understanding this video successfully. Please go through how to install the Docker, how to what is Docker access. This video also fully clear in this installed also from the scratch, and you go through Docker commands also. This is a Docker commands. See this is all Docker commands. Okay, please go through, guys, observe it carefully. Okay, guys, I think understanding all these topics totally, and how to create the image, how to run the Docker container, how to push the Docker Hub, how to delete the images, how to delete the containers. Guys, you understanding concept. Please like and share and subscribe. Don't forget the bell icon. Please go through that videos first of all. I definitely will do it in next session in tomorrow. And write the Docker file and execute the how to create the images, how to push the Docker Hub. Okay guys, understanding. Okay guys, I understand. Please, I forget it once. Please once check it. You pull the images successful or not. See this command docker run -it. We'll see the image name docker run -it image name, and create the one docker file also gets, and go through temp file and ls. See this is a created your docker, my docker image. See this, please check it, docker. Okay guys, thank you, bye.